Hello, take one.
Entrepreneurs.
Pathfinders.
The risk takers.
We are the pioneers of yesterday.
The innovators of today.
The value creators of tomorrow.
Driven to be the very best there is.
Building the dream.
Living the dream.
Welcome to the experience economy.
We're on a mission to show organisations that there really is a better way.
To digitally transform.
Redefining the art of the possible.
Using Oracle Cloud
and ServiceNow technology
to solve our customers' biggest problems.
We push the limits of what's possible in a fast-moving world.
Transforming your business.
Delivering personalised digital experiences over standardised business processes.
We don't just switch the lights on.
Digital transformation is a continuous journey, and we are by your side
Every step of the way.
We are passionate in what we do.
hungry to make our customers successful.
Whilst making work fun for everyone.
Straight talking.
Candid.
We always tell you how it is.
We constantly challenge the status quo.
Give us 99 reasons why something can't be done.
And we will give you the one reason why it can be done.
We're commercially creative and financially back ourselves.
Why? Because we really are the experts in what we do.
As we've been there from the very beginning.
Always learning.
Always innovating, creating opportunities for all.
We never stand still.
Pushing beyond our limits.
And always raising the bar.
Easy to work with.
Renowned for getting the job done in the right way.
And striving for delivering excellence in everything we do.
Our goal is simple.
We exist to make you successful.
Releasing value through the cloud.
We are
Novo.
Let's make something happen.